한 여인이 교회를 나서고 그녀의 뒤를 따르는 의문의 남성. 세인트 메리 미드로 향하는 에스펫은 기차역 직원의 안내를 받아 패딩턴발 급행열차에 오릅니다. 그리고 교회에 다녀온 여인은 한 남자와 함께 완행열차에 올랐죠. 에스펫이 급행열차에서 출발을 기다리는 동안 완행열차가 먼저 출발합니다. 시간이 지나 급행열차가 완행열차 옆을 추월하고 에스펫은 우연히 지나가는 완행열차에서 일어난 살인을 목격하게 됩니다.
Elspeth, my dear, there you are.
Jane. Oh, Jane, I've just seen a woman killed.
미스 마플을 만나러 온 것이었던 에스펫은 자신이 목격한 것을 이야기했고 다음날 두 사람은 경찰서로 향합니다.
Good morning, Inspector. I've come to report a murder.
평소에 미스 마플을 탐탁치 않게 생각했던 슬랙 경위는 미스 마플의 신고를 대수롭지 않게 여깁니다.
No body, no murder.
But of course you must go on searching, Inspector.
That's the best we can do.
But, Inspector,
And may I remind you that there is an offence called wasting police time?
after all, we may both be involved in this business at a later date, when one of us is clever enough to find the body.
결국 직접 사건을 조사하기 시작하는 미스
5
마플.
minutes to Brackhampton. It's nice near here.
What's that place, Jane?
Rutherford Hall, Victorian millionaires.
Do they still live there?
Luther Crackenthorpe still lives there, a bit of a valetudinarian, still looked after by his daughter. If the body was flung off the train at the place we think it was, we could hardly knock at the door and ask to look for it.
살인 사건이 예상되는 위치 근처에 있는 저택이 의심스러웠던 미스 마플은 그곳을 조사할 방법을 강구해냅니다.
Lucy, I want you to find a body.
그녀가 알던 가정부 루시를 저택에 침투시키는 것이었죠.
Oh, my dear, they always need someone. Mr. Crackenthorpe is very difficult. Staff don't stay. Emma, his daughter, is always on the lookout for someone.
호기심이 많은 루시는 미스 마플의 말을 따르기로 결정합니다.
Oh, it's a pity you have to go back to Scotland.
살인을 목격한 에스펫은 집으로 돌아가게 됩니다.
When does Lucy start?
Today.
Hello, I'm Emma Crackenthorpe.
저택에 도착한 루시는 그녀를 마중 나온 엠마와 까칠한 루터 크라켄소프를 만납니다.
How do you do, Mr. Crackenthorpe?
We've heard you were expensive. What's my daughter paying you?
I'm expensive as a rule, Mr. Crackenthorpe, because I'm not afraid of work.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it. It's that fool of a doctor.
I'm afraid Father's very mean. He gets frightfully cross. He's not allowed to touch Grandfather's money.
How do you do?
Lucy Iresbarrow. John Quimper.
How do you do?
존은 루터의 주치의로 일하고 있는 의사입니다.
I quite forgot. What is it? I'm frightfully sorry. I forgot to tell you about the invasion. Well, the family come.
크라켄소프가의 가족들이 모두 모인다는 이야기를 들은 루시는 가정부 일을 시작합니다. 그리고 일을 쉴 때 그녀는 미스 마플이 부탁한 대로 저택의 주변을 조사합니다. 가족들이 하나둘 도착합니다. 크라켄소프가의 막내딸은 세상을 떠났지만 그녀의 아들 알렉산더가 친구를 데려왔습니다. 그리고 아들과 남은 크라켄소프가의 사위 브라이언은 루시와 인사를 나눕니다.
I'm the new help-come housekeeper.
불만 가득한 표정으로 그들을 쳐다보는 루터.
Oh, come on, Stoddard. You call yourself a decent ladder?
Hello.
창고를 열기 위해 고군분투 중이던 알렉산더 일행을 발견하고 창고문을 열어준 루시는 아이들이 떠난 뒤 창고를 뒤져보기 시작합니다. 그리고 옷감이 묻어있는 석관을 본 그녀는 뚜껑을 열었다가 안에 있는 무엇인가를 보고 충격을 받습니다.
Lucy? Lucy?
관 속에 있던 것은 신원 미상의 여자 사체였고 경찰이 출동한 후 의사 존이 상태를 확인합니다.
Been dead over 2 weeks, I'd say. There's quite a low ambient temperature in there. Your chap will be able to tell you more once he gets it down the mortuary.
둘째 아들 해롤드는 자신이 운영하는 은행을 걱정합니다.
We're going to be quoted on the stock exchange. Well, this sort of thing could do us appalling damage.
I don't see how.
Just because some lunatic chose to dump a corpse on the premises, it's nothing to do with us.
Isn't it? The letter. Well, the letter I got. Martine. Well, it could be, couldn't it?
Do you realise what you're saying? You're accusing a member of the family.
I didn't mean that. I just thought...
You don't bloody well think. That's your problem.
슬랙 경위는 집안 사람들을 신문하기 시작합니다.
I was told there was probably a body here, and I was asked to find it.
Who told you?
An old lady I know who lives in St Mary Mead.
White, female, mid-30s. Hair dark brown, long, wavy. Apparent cause of death, strangulation. Death occurred 18 days ago and incident was possibly witnessed. All members of household deny having seen victim before. Motive for murder unknown. Reason for depositing body where found unknown.
경찰은 사건에 대한 아무런 단서를 찾을 수 없어 미궁에 빠지고 집안의 첫째 아들 세드릭이 도착합니다.
There's been a murder.
Mr. Cedric Krakenthorpe?
Yes.
이비자에 갔다가 막 도착했다는 세드릭.
Sorry I couldn't help.
Congratulations again, my dear Lucia. And if you're determined to go on,
Oh, I must. I can't let Emma down.
then you must be very careful.
가족들의 저녁 식사 자리에선 루시와 브라이언이 미소를 지며 시선을 주고받지만 다른 가족들의 분위기는 좋지 않습니다.
I'm just glad it's only a murder. No one has swindled the revenue. What a colourful family we are.
주치의까지 쓰고 있지만 건강이 좋지 않은 루터.
All right. I'm all right.
How's Mr. Krakenthorpe? He's fine.
Out of chaos you make order and light. What a frightening woman you are.
If you're going to stay and talk nonsense, do you mind doing something useful?
No thanks, but I think Brian here could do with a new one.
사건 조사가 계속되고 시신 부검도 이루어집니다.
Those gastronomic and femoral developments, the pronounced vastus, and the general muscle tone, I want attention drawn to those.
미스 마플은 루시를 통해 저택에 초대받게 되고 그곳에서 알고 지내던 경찰 덕햄 경위를 만납니다.
Inspector Duckham.
미스 마플의 등장이 달갑지 않은 슬랙 경위.
Inspector Slag? Duckham, I'll keep out of your way as much as possible. Still your case, old man. You know Miss Marple, do you? It's still your case, old man, just as I said, but I'm going to add a proviso, I'm afraid. I'm going to insist that we involve Miss Marple at every stage.
덕햄은 슬랙에게 집안 사람들에 대해
Cedric's an
알려줍니다.
artist. He was at home in Ibiza until yesterday, so I think we can exclude him, don't you? Harold's a merchant banker, as you know. What you may not know is that his bank's in a very dodgy position. Alfred's the most interesting in some ways. He's got little premises in Warren Street, deals in cars and anything else you can turn over quickly. Father and daughter, I'm afraid I don't know anything about.
Clothes were French, were they?
Yes. Good quality, except the coat.
One thing that emerged from the post-mortem, she was an athlete of some sort. Very high muscle tone for a woman of her age.
Fabriqué en France.
Cheap, isn't it? That's interesting.
I'll get on to Desai in Paris and ask if he has any female athletes on his missing persons list.
Well, it occurred to me, now this is merely a suggestion, you understand, that her clothes implied someone who has times when she has money and times when she hasn't. And the most notorious profession for that is, of course, the theatre. An athlete, you said. Well, most dancers are stronger than athletes.
다음 날 아침 산책을 나온 해롤드는 호수 근처에서 누군가를 마주칩니다.
You're out early?
그리고 그는 총소리와 함께 살해되었죠.
Hello, Aunt Jane. It's Lucy. They're having the birthday supper here tonight, and the solicitor's name is Arthur Wimborne.
They think they may have identified him. Dancer went missing on the right day.
Anna Stravinska.
죽은 여자는 미스 마플의 예상대로 극장의 무용수였고 미스 마플은 루시가 알려준 크라켄소프가의 변호사 윈본을 찾아갑니다. 미스 마플과 알던 사이였던 윈본은 중요한 사실을 알려줍니다. 루터가 비싼 예술품의 전 재산을 탕진할 것을 염려한 그의 선친이 유산을 손주들에게만 상속했고 톤틴이라는 방식으로 연금이 지급되고 있다는 것이었습니다. 루시와 브라이언은 조금씩 가까워지고 슬랙 경위의 신문은 계속됩니다. 그리고 엠마는 슬랙에게 의문의 편지 한 통을 건넵니다. 죽은 안나가 일했던 극장으로 온 덕햄.
Yes, it's Anna. What did they do to the poor little bitch?
She was strangled.
She wasn't very good, poor lass. She was cheap and keen. She filled in at the back of the corps. Poor Anna.
Your brother Edmund was killed during the war, and now this woman, Martine, is writing to you claiming to be his widow and to have a son by him.
She was doing all right, but now feels she can't give her son the advantages that should be his. Sounds reasonable enough, wouldn't you say?
I'd say it sounds highly unlikely.
My brother did meet a girl out there. His last letter said so.
Has it occurred to you that this woman could be a fortune hunter?
Yes, it has. But there is the possibility that she could be quite genuine.
Excuse me a moment.
I'll ask. Did you ever hear Anna Stravinska refer to herself as Martine?
Rings a bell. She never called herself that, but...
Would her real name be in your records?
Brian and Dr. Quimper thought I should tell you about the letter. Harold didn't want me to. In case this woman who's been found turned out to be Martine, he thought it would look bad for the family.
Martine Isabel Perrault. Do you know if she was married?
She said she had been.
죽은 안나의 실명이 마틴이었다는 것을 알아냈고 그 시각 저택에서는 해롤드의 시신이 발견됩니다. 해롤드는 총에 맞았지만 숲의 방치는 덫에 걸려 있었고 살인인지 사고사인지 확신할 수 없었습니다. 그리고 덕햄은 안나의 집에 찾아갔지만 이미 누군가 다녀간 후였죠.
Harold's investment section of the bank was borrowing against his future legacy. He could have thought that if his creditors heard of another legitimate claim on the estate.
경찰은 죽은 해롤드가 재산 문제로 마틴을 죽이고 결국 잡힐 것을 염려해 자살했을 것이라고 추정합니다.
I think you should see Arthur Wimborne and ask him what a tontine is.
A tontine is a financial device whereby the sharers in a common fund increase their portion of the fund. The last survivor collects the lot.
So it would be in the interests of any member of the family to see the other members die off, especially if the others had no children.
Yes, that's right.
저녁이 되자 변호사 윈본과 루시도 초대해 식사를 하는 크라켄소프 가족.
Steady, Daddy. Remember what John Quimper said.
Oh, as a fusspot, an old maid pesters me concoctions.
He's a good doctor.
I don't agree. He's a fool and a failure.
How can you say that? He's not one of these grab the money and run merchants. He believes in free medicine for the people. God, what's happening to all of us?
Control yourself, girl.
브라이언은 슬랙을
Please tell
찾아갑니다.
Inspector Slack that I have some information.
I was delivering a plane. A smallish passenger kite had just landed from Paris, and the civvies were walking across the tarmac. I recognise one of them.
Cedric Krakenthorpe.
Do you have reason to believe that Mr. Krakenthorpe has something to do with this business, sir?
No, I don't know. I came to tell you because I don't like him.
이비자에서 왔다고 거짓말을 했던 세드릭.
All right. I did fly over from Paris. The only reason I didn't mention it's because there's a woman in the case. I'd be marginally grateful if you rang during the day and not at the weekends.
Why?
Why do you think she's married?
미스 마플을 찾아온 덕햄.
Now, if Harold had to be killed suddenly, it seems most likely it was because he knew something.
About Martine Perrault.
Well, quite possibly. I think also we should be trying to find one of Edmund's closest friends in the regiment.
I'll go to the War Office.
And I shall go and visit a lady in Kensington.
알프레드와 대화를 나누던 엠마는 그녀와 의사 존의 사이를 이야기합니다.
I didn't realize you were fond of him, Em.
We're engaged.
Oh, I am pleased, Em.
Well, you're the only person I've told.
Look, I must go. I've given them an alibi, but all my witnesses were crooks. We'll talk later. God bless you, Em.
None of Edmund Krakenthorpe's fellow officers had heard of his marrying.
덕햄은 편지를 보낸 마틴과 에드먼드와의 관련성을 찾지 못했고 죽은 해롤드의 부인을 만나고 온 미스 마플은 새로운 사실을 알아냈습니다.
Did you know that Harold had a passion?
What was it, Miss Marple?
Oh, the ballet.
해롤드가 마틴의 공연에 다녀왔던 것이었죠.
I mean, Martine Perrault is nothing to do with this girl of Edmund Krakenthorpe.
I think the murderer suspected Harold of knowing who she was, and he was probably killed for that knowledge alone.
So who was she?
미스 마플은 다시 크라켄소프가의 저택을 방문합니다. 이번엔 살인을 목격한 엘스펫도 함께였죠.
Lucy will help you.
덕햄과 슬랙도 자리를 함께했고 루시가 샌드위치를 나눠줍니다.
I wonder, might I visit your bathroom?
Oh, yes, of course, I'll show you.
A fishbone, I think.
Get Dr. Quimper.
Come over to the light.
But that's him! The man on the train!
You didn't know, did you, Doctor, that when you strangled that woman on the train, someone actually saw you do it?
What on earth are you talking about? I am not in the habit of murdering strange women.
She was not a strange woman. She was your wife. Certified copy of an entry of marriage, Chapel of the Sacred Heart, Chelsea, 1944. Martine Isabel Perrault.
범행이 밝혀지기 시작하자 갑자기 도망쳐버리는 존.
You're going to have to shoot, old boy.
브라이언의 활약으로 존은 붙잡힙니다.
Martine Perrault was a good Catholic, and in the end he realized she'd never agree to a divorce. But he had to be free to marry Emma. He became convinced that Harold knew who Martine was, so he killed him. I believe that Dr. Quimper...
존은 사실 아프지 않은 루터를 병들게 하고 있었고 알프레드에게는 병이 있는데 말해주지 않고 있었죠.
And the letter from Martine. Quimper sent that, presumably.
존은 엠마에게 에드워드가 죽기 전 여자를 만났었다는 것을 듣게 됐고 자신이 죽인 아내 마틴의 이름을 이용해 에드워드의 결혼을 꾸며냈습니다. 그렇게 그는 크라켄소프 가족들을 연금 배당이라는 살인 동기로 의심받게 만들었죠.
I'm afraid poor Emma was helplessly in love with him.
미스 마플이 엠마와 루시를 챙기며 이야기가 마무리됩니다.
Come and stay with me, of course. Emma needs to get away from here.
What about me, madam?
You'll be perfectly all right, Mr. Crackenthorpe. Now that you don't have a doctor to tell you you're ill, you must try and do all the things he told you not to.
이 작품은 지난번 영상에 이어 BBC에서 제작된 TV 시리즈입니다. 원작은 아가사 크리스티의 7번째 장편 소설이고 그녀의 전성기 작품으로 평가받습니다. 해당 작품 또한 원작 소설이 번역되어 출판되어 있으니 직접 읽어보시길 추천드립니다.